Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Ishan and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to dive into an amazing image generation tool called MidJourney. This AI program is highly useful for content creators, entrepreneurs, and marketers who need help with designing graphics for social media campaigns. So let's create an image together. First and foremost, you need to download and sign up to Discord to access MidJourney. Once you sign up for a subscription that works with your budget, you can access the MidJourney bot. Let me show you how to prompt the chatbot. In order to generate an image, we always start with typing the command imagine. From there, we can describe what our image should look like. In this example, I will write bright, photorealistic cinematic lens of a corporate woman smiling at her computer with a cup of coffee, AR 16:9, and click enter. As a result, MidJourney will generate 4 images for me. As a creative, I love MidJourney because you can get hyper detailed with your prompts. You can describe camera angles, camera lenses, lighting, colors, styles of art, and even the aspect ratios of your images. Once I have a set of images to choose from, I can decide on whether I want to upscale and download an image by clicking one of the upscale buttons U1 through U4. I can also create variations of the images by clicking V1 through V4. And if I want to completely reimagine the entire set of images, I can click the regenerate button here to see 4 new options. Pretty cool, right? Now you can insert these images into your social media campaigns, which can help with generating more leads or eyeballs on your account. This is why we believe MidJourney is currently the best AI image generation tool on the market. With that said, we hope that you found this video helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe, and see you next time.